This March 10th, I will be in Greece helping to light the Tibetan Freedom Torch. On this day, I ask you to join thousands of Tibetans and supporters in the streets to show China that the flame of Tibetan resistance is still burning and will not be put out.
This March 10th, I will be in the streets protesting alongside my Tibetan friends. I know at this moment, as the Olympic spotlight shines on China, that is more important than ever before to show my support for the Tibetan people's struggle for freedom and independence.
This March 10th, Tibetans living in exile in India will launch an historic return march to Tibet. As the Chinese government tries to use the Olympics to convince the world that Tibet belongs to China, Tibetans in India will rise up and show the world Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Show your support for the return march. This March 10th, take to the streets and take action.